Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Get ready to put on your finest digital outfit because today we're diving headfirst into the wonderful, wild, and sometimes wacky world of dating apps. Buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to spill all the tea, crack all the codes, and basically become your fairy god swipers. Stick around as we reveal 10 essential hacks to master the swipe. Because, honey, you deserve a love story that's more lit than a phone screen at a rave. 1. Choosing the right profile pic. Alright, let's get real for a hot sec. Your profile picture is more than just a photo. It's your digital handshake. Your first impression in the vast world of online interactions. Your profile picture is like the first impression of the digital age. It's the first thing people see, and it can make or break their decision to engage with you. Think of it as the bat signal that either draws people in or makes them swipe faster than you can say Netflix and chill. It's your chance to stand out in a sea of faces. First things first, ditch the blurry group photos. They might be fun memories, but they don't do you any favors in the clarity department. I know. You and your squad are fire, but trust me, no one's trying to play Guess Who at 2 a.m. People want to see you, not a Where's Waldo puzzle. Opt for a clear, high-quality photo that screams, "This is me, and I'm fabulous." A well-lit, sharp image can make all the difference. Show off that million-dollar smile, those sparkling eyes, or that adventurous spirit. Let your personality shine through. Remember, your picture should be a conversation starter, not a conversation ender. It should invite curiosity and interest, making people want to know more about you. Take some time to prepare. Choose an outfit that makes you feel confident and comfortable. Your confidence will shine through in the photo. Lighting is key. Natural light works wonders. So try to take your photo near a window or outside. Avoid harsh shadows and make sure your face is well lit. Don't be afraid to use a little photo editing to enhance your picture, but keep it natural. You want to look like the best version of yourself, not someone else entirely. Finally, upload that masterpiece and let it work its magic. Your profile picture is your digital ambassador, so make it count. 2. Crafting a compelling bio. Okay, you've got the perfect profile picture. Now it's time to work on your bio. This is where you can really let your personality shine and make a memorable first impression. This is your chance to shine brighter than a disco ball, so let's make it count. A great bio can be the difference between getting a message or being swiped left. Keep it short, sweet, and a little bit sassy. You want to grab their attention quickly, so make every word count. Think of it as the movie trailer for your life, highlighting all the best parts. Just like a trailer, it should be engaging and leave them wanting more. Mention your hobbies, your passions, and maybe even a fun fact or two. These details can be great conversation starters and show what makes you unique. Are you a coffee connoisseur, a dog lover, a world traveler? Sharing these interests can help you connect with like-minded people. Let your freak flag fly, my friend. Don't be afraid to show your quirky side. It's what makes you, you. But remember, honesty is key. Authenticity is attractive, and being genuine will attract the right people. Don't pretend to be someone you're not, because trust me, the truth always comes out. Be yourself, and you'll find someone who appreciates you for who you truly are. 3. Honesty is the best policy, and app policy too. Okay, listen up, love bugs, because this is important. Honesty is the foundation of any relationship, whether it's IRL or in the digital realm. Be upfront about your intentions and what you're looking for. Are you searching for your soulmate, a casual fling, or just someone to grab tacos with on a Tuesday night? Whatever it is, own it. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there and be vulnerable. Remember, the right person will appreciate your authenticity and be down for whatever adventure you're seeking. 4. Swipe right, swipe left, choosing the right app. So, you're ready to swipe your way to love, but with so many dating apps out there, it can feel like navigating a maze blindfolded. Each app has its own unique features, user base, and vibe, making the choice even more daunting. But don't worry, I'm here to help you find the perfect match for your dating journey. Don't worry, I got you. Let's break it down step by step so you can make an informed decision and start swiping with confidence. The first step is to figure out what you're looking for. Are you seeking a serious long-term relationship? Or are you more interested in casual dating and meeting new people? Knowing your goals will help you narrow down your options. Are you dreaming of a long-term relationship or a casual connection? Some apps are geared towards serious relationships, while others are perfect for casual flings or even just making new friends. Once you know your dating goals, you can choose an app that aligns with your vibe. For example, if you're looking for something serious, apps like eHarmony or Match might be your best bet. If you're more into casual dating, Tinder or Bumble could be the way to go. Do your research, read reviews, and don't be afraid to try out a few different ones. Each app has its own strengths and weaknesses, and what works for one person might not work for another. It's all about finding the right fit for you. It's like online shopping for love, but instead of adding things to your cart, you're adding potential suitors to your heart. Take your time, explore your options, and most importantly, have fun with it. Happy swiping. 5. Timing is everything when to swipe. All right, my little love ninjas, let's talk strategy. Timing is everything in the dating game, especially when it comes to swiping. You wouldn't go grocery shopping on an empty stomach, would you? The same principle applies here. Aim to swipe during peak hours, like after work or on weekends, when people are more likely to be glued to their phones. Think of it as prime time for love connections. 6. Slide into those DMs, being proactive. Okay, you've matched with someone who makes your heart skip a beat. Now what? Don't be afraid to make the first move. Send a thoughtful message that shows you're interested and have actually read their bio. Instead of a generic hey, try something like I loved reading about your trip to Italy. What was your favorite city? Remember, a little effort goes a long way. 7. Conversation starters. Congratulations! You've officially entered the chat zone. Now, the key is to keep the conversation flowing. Start with light and fun topics, like shared interests, hobbies, or even funny observations about life. Avoid heavy subjects like politics or religion right off the bat. Remember, you're just getting to know each other, so keep it casual and playful. 8. Don't be a texting terror, avoiding overtexting. Okay, I know you're excited, but resist the urge to bombard your match with a million messages. Overtexting is a surefire way to kill the romance before it even begins. Give them space to respond and breathe. Remember, a good conversation is like a tennis match, with both players hitting the ball back and forth. 9. Safety first, love later, staying safe on dates. All right, my loves, it's time to talk about the S word, safety. Always, always, always prioritize your safety when meeting someone from a dating app. Meet in a public place for the first few dates. Let a friend or family member know where you're going, and trust your instincts. If something feels off, it probably is. Remember, your safety is more important than any date. 10. Have fun and enjoy the ride. Listen up, my little love muffins. Dating is supposed to be fun. Don't take it too seriously and remember to enjoy the process. Embrace the awkward moments, laugh at the cheesy pickup lines, and celebrate the victories, no matter how small. Remember, you are a radiant, incredible human being, and anyone would be lucky to have you in their life. Go forth and conquer the dating world. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more dating advice. Remember, you are amazing. You are worthy of love, and the right person is out there waiting to swipe right on your incredible self. Good luck out there, and happy swiping.